Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Syazlie Haniff bin Samsudin from DKM 3A. My matric number is 14DKM19F1010. I want to talk about practical task 4 about potential and kinetic energy. My group member from group C are Fatin Aqilah binti Abdul Halim 14DKM19F1009, Muhammad Huzairi bin Roslan 14DKM19 F1011, and the last one Muhammad Rabbani bin Adam 14DKM19 F1012. Firstly, about objective to potential and kinetic energy. To study about the principle of potential energy and kinetic energy. Maksud dia kat sini untuk mengkaji mengenai prinsip utama tenaga berpotensi dan tenaga kinetik. Yang kedua, define kinetic energy and describe the work energy theorem. Maksud dia kat sini, tentukan tenaga kinetik dan terangkan teorema tenaga kerja.
Assalamualaikum, nama saya Muhammad Huzairi bin Roslan. I want to talk about theory. The mechanical energy is equal to the work done on a body is in altering either its position or its velocity. Three types of mechanical energy. There is potential energy, strain energy, and kinetic energy. Unit of energy is Nm or joule, or the symbol is J. Potential energy. It is the energy possessed by a body for doing work by virtue of its position. Potential energy, PE equal to mgh, where the m is the mass of the body, g is the gravity of acceleration, and the last one h, distance toward which the body fall. Okey, di mana tenaga mekanikal sama dengan kerja yang dilakukan pada badan dalam mengubah kedudukannya atau halaju. Tiga jenis tenaga mekanikal, iaitu terdapat tenaga berpotensi, tenaga regangan dan tenaga kinetik. The last one, unit tenaga adalah Nm atau joule, atau simbol dia adalah J. Okay. Kinetic energy. It is the energy posed by a body for doing work. Kinetic energy, K E equal to 1/2 mv square, where the m is the mass of the body, v equal to velocity. Ini adalah gambar yang mengenai dengan topik ini ya.
Okay, the equipment. First, potential energy and kinetic energy kit. That are used to transfer of energy from one form to another. Second, stopwatch. To measure the amount of time that eclipses between its activities and the activities. Third, ruler. Ruler are used to measure length of different objects. Fourth, weight. Weight hanger combination allow the student to quickly create any desired amount of mass. Okay, the last one. Hanger to use in measuring weight and use in hanging different. For the procedures. First, hang the hanger with weight on potential energy and kinetic energy kit. Second, set the weight. Set the height of the hanger equal to 0.51 meter from the table surface. Third, release the hanger and at the same time start the stopwatch and stop the stopwatch when the weight reaches the surface of the table. The last one of these procedures, repeat the step second and third with different weight.
Hello, Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. So, based on eksperimen yang telah dijalankan, iaitu eksperimen potential energy versus kinetic energy. So, kita telah setkan H 51 cm, G 9.81, meter per second square. So to calculate velocity before impact, kita gunakan formula V equal to punca kuasa 2GH. So kita masukkan nilai yang kita dapat, kita akan dapat 3.163 meter per second square. So kita akan construct table yang akan ada mass, time, velocity, potential energy and kinetic energy. So gram yang ada di table kita dapat iaitu 0.05 kg, 1.10 kg, 1.15 kg, 1.20 and 1.25. So time, kita ada 3 time. Di sini kita untuk dapat time average, kita tambahkan ketiga-tiga and bahagi 3. So time average yang pertama 12.22, second 6.74, third 5.15, fourth 4.19 and last 3.76. So untuk mencari velocity kita gunakan V equal to U plus AT. So kita dapat yang first 190.88, second 66.12, third 50.52, third 41.10 and lastly 36.89. So to calculate potential energy, kita gunakan mgh. So kita dapat 0.25, second 0.50, third 0.75, fourth 1.00 and lastly 1.25. And you have to find kinetic energy. To find it, kita gunakan 1/2 mv square. So yang pertama kita dapat 359.28, second 218.59 and third 191.42, fourth 168.92 and lastly 170.11. So untuk data analysis, kita akan plotkan graph, iaitu graph PE versus KE, iaitu potential energy and versus kinetic energy. And graph yang kedua, kita akan plotkan mass versus time. So the relationship between the PE and KE, iaitu we know that the potential energy is the energy that is stored within an object, while kinetic energy that is in motion. The connection between the two is that the potential energy transform into the kinetic energy. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, the discussion is potential energy is energy stored in an object due to its position or arrangement. Second, kinetic energy is energy of an object due to its movement, its motion. And the last one is all type of energy can be transformed into other types of energy. Maksudnya, tenaga berpotensi adalah tenaga yang tersimpan dalam objek kerana kedudukan atau susunannya. Tenaga kinetik adalah tenaga objek yang disebabkan pergerakannya. Semua jenis tenaga boleh diubah menjadi jenis tenaga yang lain. Terima kasih.
And lastly, about conclusion for potential and kinetic energy. Potential energy is defined as mass time gravity time height. When we increase the mass and height, potential energy increase. Maksud dia kat sini, tenaga berpotensi ditakrifkan sebagai massa kali graviti kali tinggi semasa kita meningkatkan jisim dan tinggi. Tenaga berpotensi juga meningkat. And number 2, kinetic energy is defined as 1/2 time mass time velocity squared. The more we increase the ramp height, we increase the speed. Therefore, increasing kinetic energy. Maksud dekat sini, tenaga kinetik didefinisikan sebagai 1/2 kali jisim kali kecepatan kuasa 2. Semakin tinggi ketinggian jalan, semakin meningkat jugalah kelajuan sehingga meningkatkan tenaga kinetik. Sekian, terima kasih.